CoastLife, last time we were hanging out with local cookbook author Felicia Bush. We were making some warming soups, to keep you up on those cool fall nights. But I'm ready for dessert now. Felicia, hey, welcome back to the show.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so I'm already started on some of these ingredients for you, but maybe you could fill in the viewers here. What are we making today?
So if you ever thought that you could not make cupcakes without measuring, you were wrong. This is the easiest muffin/cupcake recipe I think you might be able to find. It's just a box of cake mix. Today we're making like more of a pumpkin spice version, so it's gonna be a spice cake mix, a can of pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix, just pumpkin, some icing of choice, and then some butterscotch morsels.
Ooh, all right, let's put all of this together.
Awesome. So you're simply just going to dump your cake mix into a large mixing bowl. You can smell that spice.
Ooh, yes.
Those fall flavors that we all know and love.
Felicia, that's what I like about your recipes, is that they're so easy. I'm just, I'm not too bright, but
yes, you are.
I'm following along with everything that you're doing and going home right after the shoot to make my own. It's amazing.
Awesome. Oh, thank you so much. And that's really just my goal with everything the recipes that I curate, just getting people into the kitchen, helping them see that it doesn't have to be stressful, it doesn't have to be extravagant. You can have readily available ingredients and make delicious meals and even desserts. Awesome. All right, and I think we're good. So then, lastly, we're just gonna put in some butterscotch morsels. You can find these in the baking aisle. And you really don't even have to measure them. You're going for about 3/4 of a cup, but if you stir this up and you think, I need some more of those morsels, just pour more in. If you need less, don't pour them all in at once, just kind of slowly add them. So we're all mixed through, so you just want to make sure again on the bottom there that you pull up all of that cake mix. And then you're just going to line your muffin or cupcake pan. And like I said, the mixture is a little sticky, so I find if I have a bigger spoon and a smaller spoon, scoop it up, and then we're just going to scoop it into...
Oh, hey, okay.
Yeah, so super easy. What you'll do is bake them at the temperature listed on the box.
Okay.
For the amount of time for cupcakes. The box may say for 24 cupcakes, but we're still going to use that time. So they take around 16 to 19 minutes usually, but that also depends on size. So I like the little toothpick method. Just make sure you put your toothpick in, it comes out clean, and you're good to go.
Nice. All right. So Felicia said, if this comes out clean, it's ready. Oh yeah, we're ready.
Awesome, let's do it. Then you just want to let them cool completely, and then if you're going the cupcake route, I love to use a cream cheese icing. Just slather that right on top. And there you go. You have pumpkin spice butterscotch cupcakes. Just like that. And if you want to get a little fancy, you can throw some cinnamon right on top just to make it look that much more pretty.
All right.
Or no icing, you can go the muffin route.
Felicia, I've got to try it.
Yes, please.
Oh!
Exactly my reaction. These are great with coffee. They're great just in the afternoon, after dinner, after a meal. They're wonderful.
And with the butterscotch, it reminds me of, I did a 50-mile hike in Allegheny.
Oh, wow.
2 weeks, everyone brought beef jerky, chocolate, and Werther's butterscotch. All right, we would trade the jerky, the chocolate, and the butterscotch. The inflation rate of the butterscotch, though, by the end of the trip, he's like, please, I'll give you 50 pieces of Werther's for 1 piece of beef jerky.
That's funny.
And this just brings me right back to that trip.
That's awesome. I love that. That's the other beauty of the kitchen, right? You make those connections with life. It's great.
Oh man, but last time I was obsessed with your lasagna soup. Now for dessert, you've got a little pumpkin cupcakes. Just like, what can't you do?
Bake, actually. That's why all of my baking recipes are like this.
Yeah, I've always thought that, baking was like very to the T,
Exactly.
just like more chemistry than art,
Exactly.
But you've definitely made an art of these cupcakes.
Thank you so much.
And I can't wait to see what you've got next up in your cookbook.
Thank you so much for having me. This is awesome.
Well, that was Felicia Bush. I'm gonna keep enjoying this, and you can keep enjoying more CoastLife in just a little bit.